yun eh. Yung yan hindi. Hindi ko nakita yung ano. Nakita ko LPU. Yung kanina meron ka palang nasulat nun. Ayun, pag may jersey nga sa likod, kaya na itawid eh. Yung ito lang mahirap pag wala.
That's Ododo right in front of us. And partner, we are back here on our fifth game for today between San Beda and Baste. And we wanted to thank once again our sponsors, our vitamin provider, Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvon CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, official basketball Spalding TF 1000 Legacy, Spalding made for the game, anytime, anywhere. VLF Wood Veneers, making products beyond compare, and to Flores family for the support, as always, to United Basketball League.
Alright, Brian. 40 seconds after the opening tip-off, wala pang nakakabutas. But number 1 of San Beda will be going to the free throw line. That's
number 15, Ryan Corvadas, that's his first.
one out of one. Ang number 1 in San Beda. Great execution of offense, yan ang pinapakita ng San Sebastian. Bamba tracks the ball from half-court. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 drives, wild shot. Patumbakal hits for San Beda. Look at that weave coming from San Sebastian, working in the early game. First three,
And that's
Herrera
our
Mintes.
2 minutes have passed. Ang score natin 3-2 in favor of San Beda. And there is an offensive foul,
Coming from number 3.
and that is Winters.
Number 3 of San Beda, Marlon Winters, that's his first.
Rion being hounded by number 8 of San Beda. Goes back to Rion, pulls up a trigger, no!
That's a quick shot for Orion, which is, I believe, unnecessary. You know? Wala namang naghahabol pa sa kanila, partner. I think what they need to do is to parang i-sure pull nila yung kanilang mga tira. No? Wala pa naman naghahabol sa kanila. And this is just an early part of the game.
At hindi lang sure ball yung tira. Kailangan yung pasa din.
Tama,
After
Bata.
on that previous play, turnover. Kaya bumalik sa San Beda yung possession. 8 swings it. Number 17 gets it to go.
Basket, and that is Lorenzo.
Nicolas
Lorenzo is basically a three-pointer player. But he's a
Abangan to si Nicolas Lorenzo, a big guy who could
Exactly.
stretch the floor. Yan yung mga nauusa sa modern day basketball eh, yung mga stretch bigs. Hasta yan na naman, nasa labas siya. Gives it,
almost a
teammate, almost a turnover.
Yep. That is the first three-point shot by San Beda team. Tama.
Yes, and ayan na naman Lorenzo for another 3 coming!
Diba, partner? Kakasabi ko lang sa'yo. Kakasabi ko lang sa'yo, partner. He is a shooter and a three-point player despite of the height.
Ascañete gives it to number 1. Gets the
Foul.
basket in the foul.
And basket by Losses.
Joaquin Roales, that's his first second team foul on San Sebastian.
And there you go, marangkada na ang puntos dito ng San Beda. It's 11 against 2 of San Sebastian. Ay, salamat.
Biosis can complete that N1 play. Check it. Herrera, number 88, goes to Rion. As for a Bamba screen, drive. There's a scramble between
That's Batumbakal, number 33.
Bakal and
Timeout, San Sebastian.
San Beda having a 11-2 lead against Baste will be having a timeout. After the timeout, San Beda with an 11-2 score against San Sebastian. This is the 19th and under division of the United Basketball League. Bola ng Baste. Tatawagan ng 5-second violation. Great defense coming from San Beda.
That's a very good defense there for San Beda. And that's a violation from Baste. And that's another turnover for the team.
Ayan na naman, Lorenzo! Heat check. Number 3, wild shot, misses. Rion tracks the rebound. Look at that weave offense coming from
10 seconds to shoot.
the Baste as Herrera will be
At may
fouled.
foul na nakita yung ating
Foul number 8. Ted Benedict and his first 13 foul. Substitution.
First shot by Herrera, basket. Second shot.
Mintes.
Kala
Rebound.
ko,
number
papasok
10.
pa.
Baste hounding.
10 seconds to shoot. And that's Lorenzo. Pero walang foul na tinawag ang ating referee doon, partner.
7 seconds to shoot for San Beda. Number 10, 3 points. Wala.
At ayun, meron na namang foul.
Foul number 14. Zhang Yingliang, that's his first. 14 foul on San Sebastian.
San Beda being just really in attack mode
That is
versus
correct.
San Sebastian. Talagang pinapuwersa nila na i-foul sila nitong Baste.
Tama,
Attacking,
tama.
walang humpay sa pag-atake at sa pagposte. And this is their, well, this is the end time na nasa free throw line sila in this game. As number 22 gets the offensive rebound. Loses the ball, babalik sa Baste ang bola.
Substitution.
Marasigan checks in for Rion Balibao.
Well,
Hounded.
they are actually showing a very good defense itong San Beda, no? At ito nga ang problema pagdating sa ilalim. Ayun, buti na lang hindi na ipasok at maganda rin ang depensa ang ipinakita ni Soliano ron.
Number 75, Soliano checks in, replaces the shooting big Nicolas Lorenzo. Jumper, short, battle for the rebound, trapped by Danag. Hounded in the back.
And there you go. There you go.
Foul number 10. Jack Morales, that's his first. 14 foul.
Hindi naman necessary na mag-foul, partner. Lamang na lamang dito yung San Beda.
2:34 in the first frame. 12-3 is our score.
And again, another foul coming from Team San Beda.
Foul number 13.
They are on the lead by now. 12-3. Lamang sila ng Sham. Why they keep on getting fouls?
Sometimes kasi yung press defense talaga, minsan because you're harassing your opponents, minsan may mga extra motions na pag nakita ng referee tatawagan, especially the small bumps, knowing na pinipressure mo kasi yung depensa ng ng yung kalaban. So 2 out of 2 from Balibao from the free throw line.
Oh, that's 2 out of 2. And here comes San Beda with a tight defense being applied here coming from San Beda.
Malakas, rebound.
And that is Soliano, a big guy from San Beda. At talagang yung height advantage ni Soliano nakita natin doon.
Height is might, kumbaga.
Exactly.
At yung San Beda Red Cups na to is may potential silang maglaro mamaya ng Twin Towers with Lorenzo also playing at Soliano. Yun yung mukhang nakakatakot na
Tama.
na 5 on the floor for San Beda.
He misses the first one
Next, the second
and
one.
gets the second one. Same ball according to the referee. 1 minute and 42 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Danag. Siya na yung nagbababa ng bola against this pressure defense. Pero tatawagan ng 8-second violation. Yun yung nangyayari sa
Exactly,
San
that's the
Bestan.
third turnover for Baste.
Nahihirapan sila dun sa press defense ng Red Lions. They need to be aware of the shot clock.
And a foul coming from Milano, reaching in.
Number 14, penalty.
Check it. San Sebastian is already in penalty, which means number 22 Megroso is on the line for 2 shots. Negroso rather.
That's 2 out of 2.
Lead of San Beda up to 10. Early in this
Negroso.
first quarter. 1:25 remaining.
10 na, lamang dito ng San Beda. For 3, shot.
I know.
And that is out of bounds. Balik pa rin ang bola, partner, dito sa San Beda.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Danag recovers the wild pass. Drives, shoots, and three. Gets it! Tough shot coming from Danag.
Less than 1 minute.
Less than a minute dito sa ating first quarter, 15-8. And that's a traveling violation for San Beda. That's, I think, the second turnover of San Beda. At ito nga, partner, akala mo, talagang fourth quarter na, no, yung mga depensa na pinapakita ng bawat team na ito, talagang matindi. Nice pass.
13 gets fouled.
But
Will
that's a
go to
foul.
the free throw line.
Coming from 75, that's Soliano.
Rod Floriano versus Cruz. Penalty.
Mintis Parejo din sa free throw line ng Baste. Soliano tracks the rebound, being hounded.
And that is a jump ball.
Jump
Good
ball.
defense there by San Sebastian. Pero ball possession pa rin. Oh, it's a ball possession for San Beda.
Still a good effort coming from Milano, di ba? Hindi niya talagang sinukuhan yung play na yun kahit anong mangyari. San Beda passes to number 10, drives to the lane, will be fouled. Umalesa will be going to the free throw line for 2 shots.
Alan Alcazar, that's his second.
And that is 0 out of 2.
You need to work on your free throws kasi yan mamaya
Yep.
yan yung kakagat sa'yo.
Tama.
Pag kunyari, down by 2 lang kayo or natalo kayo by 1 point, di ba iisipin mo na lang,
Sana
sayang
pumasok
free
yung
throws.
Coco kanina.
Diba? So you need to work on your free throws.
Nakakailang 0 out of 2 na yata sila, partner, ano?
Marasigan to Dana.
Fires, right?
9 seconds to work with. And Marasigan pulls up a mid-range.
And that's the last
This
5
is a
seconds.
wild last viewing second.
And
of
again, a
this quarter.
turnover for San Beda, pero inabot na ng oras.
And at the end of 10 minutes of action, 15 to 10 is our score. Lamang ang San Beda.
San Sebastian men.
Lalo na yung last 10 seconds. Consume ito eh.
Second quarter possession of San Sebastian.
The start of the second quarter, we would like to thank our sponsors, Procel Pharma Inc., Ascorbic Acid, Selvan CSR, VLF Wood Winners, Spalding, the official game ball made for the game. Procel Pharma Inc., multivitamins plus minerals, Active Gold. And of course, the Flores family for their support.
And that's a good opportunity there by San Beda, or San Sebastian rather.
Lead is cut to 3.
That is correct.
15 to 12. Soliano asking for the post. Spins. Big man move. No. Dana
That a basket.
nagmamadali against San Beda's defense. He
Nice shot there, pero wala rin.
almost but everything.
And that's a turnover for San Beda. That's the fourth turnover in this game. Para kung nasa fourth quarter na, partner.
Oo. Actually, last if kakapanood pa lang sa ating live stream, iisipin ng
Kaya
fourth
nga.
quarter pa lang. Ulitin po namin second quarter pa lang, pero the action between these two teams,
Exactly.
grabe yung energy, yung intensity na nilalatag nila agad ngayon. Second quarter pa lang, pero yung energy pang fourth quarter na.
Ang tanong naman diyan, partner, hanggang kailan nila kakayanin yung ganitong
Parang kantayan
setup? Oo. Hanggang kailan nila kakayanin yung ganitong kaagang bakbakan, partner? Ito ba ay hanggang huli na magiging ganito sila? O baka naman sa huli wala nang action, partner, di ba?
Parang kumbaga pinakilig ka lang sa umpisa.
Oo.
Kidding aside, yun yung tanong talaga natin for these two teams.
Tama.
Can they sustain their intensity and energy?
Exactly.
8 minutes into the second quarter. Marasigan goes to the Melano. Pick to Danag. Balibao. Danag hits another 3 wide.
That's a long three.
But misses.
Pero wala.
Rebound. Melano, matatapikan. San
Still
Beda
there.
pupunta ang bola. San Beda, early attack. They want to execute this one. 27 to 22. 4-3 misses. Soliano, put back. Misses pa rin.
Parang malas talaga si Soliano at this time, ha?
Medyo ano lang yan. Siguro, tinitimpla niya pa yung katawan niya for this kind of intensity,
Tama.
energy, even the second quarter. Siguro nagulat din siya dun sa, parang second quarter pa lang, pero yung energy na binibigay ng kalaban namin 4th quarter na. So kailangan din nilang tapatan yan. As number 1 drives to the cup. Misses.
Wala rin.
Winters with the rebound. Second serving. No.
Wala rin. A lot of opportunities out there, pero wala. Mukhang napako na rin yung kanilang score sa 15.
A while ago, this was a 5-15.
Exactly.
Ngayon, a 7-0 run being executed by San Sebastian.
Oh, it's supposed to be a pass to number 10, pero na-check agad ni Winters.
Sebastian, napuputukan ng shot clock.
And that is a shot clock violation turnover for Baste.
Panyete. Binabantayan ni Paraiso. Binigay kay Winters.
Ang higpit talaga ng depensa itong San Sebastian.
Lorenzo. Jumper, no go.
Wala.
Rebound Milano. Marasigan. Siya magtatawid ng bola.
They are not letting San Beda na maka-score, ano? Ganon kahigpit yung pinapakita ni San Sebastian, ng San Sebastian dito.
Marasigan will be fouled. Shooting at 3
Wow,
points.
there's a foul at the
That means it is
Three-point line.
free throws.
Exactly. Chance ito para makatabla. Kung makawa 100% ito ni Marasigan.
Pero mukhang hindi.
First shot, oo, una pa lang, wala. Tingnan natin itong ikalawa at ikatlong tira niya.
Wala pa rin. Pero kahit na medyo malamig pa sa opensa itong San Sebastian, yung depensa naman nila, dun sila kumukuha ng lakas eh.
That is correct.
Eh, yung pagiging aggressive nila, nakukuha din nila yun. Nagsisimula sa depensa. At ayan na nga, nagmamadaling San Beda. Huli!
Block!
With the
Block by number 10,
No
Jacobs.
go for the second serving. 8 goes to 27. Corner 3. Short rebound. Number 10 of San Sebastian.
Sabi sa'yo, partner, yung depensa ngayon ng San Sebastian eh, kakaiba. That is a one-on-one situation with Jacobs, and Jacobs managed to reject that attempt.
Naka-block din naman ang San Beda. Lorenzo will not lose the ball. Gives to number 8. Swings to number 7. Drives one-hander. Overcoats.
That's an air ball.
Marasigan counter-attack. Gives it to Milano. Spin move. Almost.
Nakaraan na, 5 minuto, wala pa rin nadadagdag sa score ng San Beda.
Takes it out. 4-3.
Bang! At narinig ako ni Bailosis at yan, dinagdagan na nga yung kanilang puntos.
At Bailosis makakagaw na naman. Will he go to the cup? Misses. Rebound. Sa kanya, pero mahuhuli siya doon. Stepping out of bounds. (18-12) is our score. 4-17 in the second quarter. San Beda applying muli ang kanilang full court defense.
Was that a kickball? Kickball violation, tama?
Rion, the starting point guard,
Still
will be
nasali,
coming
ano?
back. Jacob gives it to his teammate, switches it out. Paraiso to number 5, drives, gets
Was
the
that a
foul
basket?
and the
It is a basket. And a foul.
Bautista, foul number 8. Kurt Caneda, that's his second. First team foul.
Kanyeta dun. Winters, rebound by Dosis. Siya magtatabi ng bola. Swings it out. 33. Strong move. with the foul sa kanyang putback.
At ganun din, meron ding
Lanang Bautista,
foul counted para dito sa
San Sebastian.
San Beda, and that's Batumbakal.
6-point lead for San Beda. 20-14. 3:30 left in the second quarter. But the intensity just still feels like it's the fourth and final quarter. Rion to Bautista, drives, Pinoy step, acrobatic shot.
Oo. Nagulat siya eh. Ang laki ni Lorenzo rin sa harapan niya rin eh.
Kontra-tsempong tira ni Bautista na pagana niya as Bailosis will
That's
be
a
called
traveling violation.
traveling.
No foul, but a traveling violation for San Beda. For Bailosis. And that's another turnover for the team. That's the 7th turnover of San Beda. Wala pang nakaka 3 points sa San Beda, tama ba partner? Wala pa, no?
San Beda?
Oo.
Actually, si San
Or
Beda
Baste.
kasi, no? Si Lorenzo dalawa.
Oh, Basti pala.
Si Baste, si
This
Tanag.
mark is for San Beda.
Sa left wing.
Meron.
As Batumbakal hits the layup, misses. Jacob.
That's Jacobs
Curving
against
fade.
Winters.
No,
Wala.
no.
Here comes Ilagan. Pass to Winters, and si Winters ang bola.
Lorenzo, meron siyang range dyan. Decided to pass. Number 38 will be stuck on traffic. And an official will be called for a stepping.
Again, a turnover for San Beda.
Yes. Turnover slowly piling up for both of these teams. And dapat lang kasi nga they're both applying full court pressure defense on each other. Sooner or later talaga magkakamali ng pasa yan at mag-turn yung ball over. Rion. Evades the defense. Goes to Bautista. Corner shot. Kabim! Cuts the lead to 3.
Lanang Bautista.
To 2 rather. To 3. Sorry. Nalito ako. That's a long 2, not a 3. Correction.
Lorenzo. Parang medyo malapit yung tira ni Lorenzo na yun. Sanay siya ng medyo malayo-layo eh.
Gusto niya ata 3-point country
Oo.
dapat. Yeah.
At ayan, a good defense there by Lorenzo. That's out of bounds. Turnover for Baste. Bringing the ball possession to San Beda.
Batumbakal tries, steps off the break. Goes to Lorenzo. Handoff. Lorenzo open for 3. No.
Close.
Winters saves it to the wrong man. Batumbakal to Winters. San
Nice
Beda
save
somehow
there.
gets the possession. 38-100.
Wala pa rin.
Batumbakal with
Pero
another
kanila pa
goal.
rin ang opportunity here.
Lorenzo
Now
drives.
it's a Lorenzo
Will be
pero
called for a traveling.
it's a traveling violation again. Turnover for San Beda.
51 seconds in the second quarter. We will be having a timeout.
San Sebastian. That is our last timeout for first half.
Less than a minute now dito sa ating second quarter. 18-21. Tatlo na lang bigla, partner. Ang lamang ng San Beda dito. At mukhang nagtatagal sila no? From point to point. Ang tagal nila sa puntos na 15. 18, ngayon 21. Halos hindi na masundan agad-agad, partner. Because of the defense being shown by San Sebastian, talagang hirap ngayon itong San Beda.
San Beda currently on a 13-6 run. Kaya ang nangyari doon na ibaba yung kanilang hinahabol na kalamangan sa tatlo.
Tama. At ito ang sinasabi natin na hanggang kailan sila magiging agresibo sa pagdepensa sa bawat isa. No? So, probably yung depensang ginagawa ng San Beda hindi na effective, kaya nakakahabol na unti-unti itong San Beda.
Rion from the right wing, right corner rather, fires up, misses. Batumbakal waits for number 9, Ilagan. Binabantayan ni Rion.
What a defense by number 15. And there you go, a steal by number 18 and a quick easy 2 points for San Sebastian.
Rodriguez.
Shot clock is up, 4 seconds.
Sabi na sa'yo, partner, it's a very good defense being shown here by San Sebastian, and of course a very good offense. Kaya ito na, isa na lang.
We will be having a timeout. Ano score naman? Ng Baste after, ayun o. Oh, ano score nila after first quarter? Meron ba dyan? Wala.
15-5, diba?
15-5. Before the end of the halftime, 4.6 remaining. San Beda could still write the last sentence of this quarter. Inbound is now going. Goes to Winters. Number 9, 2 seconds to shoot. Fires up a mid-range.
At ayan,
Misses.
diyan nagtapos si ating second quarter, 21-20 in favor of San Beda. We will be right back.
San Beda, 1-1. San Sebastian, 1-0.
Pinapuntahan ko dito, alam ko 11 games. Hindi din ako, ngayon pa lang mag-11 games kasi normally yung mga triple header lang, gano'n.
Tatlong laro lang.
Tatlong laro lang.
Magkano ba ito?
500 per game. Ako kasi hindi ako paano. Ano tawag doon? Kasi madami, mas ako pa-practice kayo. Madaming laro dito eh.
Kaya ang dami. Pero dapat ano yung kapalitan para makapalitan. Kasi ano exhausted. Pero pag simula naman ay laban, parang wala na. Hindi mo naman
Hindi mo na mararamdaman. Mga ganito, pag nung 5 minutes break.
We are starting the third quarter. But first, we would like to thank our sponsors, Procel Pharma Inc.,
Scorbic acid,
Selvan CSR, VLF Wood Veneers, Spalding, the official game ball made for the game. Procel Pharma Inc., multivitamins plus minerals, Activa Gold. And of course, the Flores family for their support. This is the opening of the second half of the clash between San Beda and San Sebastian. 21-20. Cañete to Bailosis. To 21, misses. Hustle for the loose ball, recovered by Danag. To Rion, pops up a 3, short. Bailosis with a rebound. Swings to Cañete, drives a little closer. Ayaw lang din yung one-hander. Melano to Rion, to Bautista. Acrobatic shot, couldn't get the lucky bounce. Rebound San Sebastian, and Melano hits. Suddenly they're up in the lead, 22-21. We end our first quarter with a 15-5 disadvantage for San Sebastian, and now we're starting the third quarter with a 22-21 1-point lead for San Sebastian. Danag to Rion, finds Jacob underneath. Drives, kicks it out, 22, short jumper is good. Number 5, black on top.
Block there. By number 8, that's Cañete. At ngayon, malamang na ang San Sebastian, partner.
Oo. Yung run na ginagawa nila talagang nakakasakit. Pero itong Danag 3 won't find the bottom of the net.
At nagtutuloy-tuloy nga yung magandang opensa at depensa nila rito. Yun naman din ang ating katanungan kung hanggang saan nila may pagpapatuloy itong ganito kagandang opensa at depensa.
Brian, tarang mamaya kakanta ka na tayo. Hanggang kayo, hanggang saan? Dana.
Hanggang kailan?
To Melano, top of the key, 3, short. Jacob gets the rebound. Dana got another one. Ayaw pa rin. Bailosis.
Opportunities being
21.
missed for San Sebastian.
22. To Cañete. Quick 3.
Wala rin.
Masyadong malakas. At ayan, nagmamadali na si Bautista.
Ayan,
Magawan
that's,
Cañete.
For San Sebastian.
And a counter turnover from San Beda.
What a defense by both teams.
Coming to this third quarter, medyo bumagal yung ating tempo pero ganun pa rin yung energy na gustong ipakita ng both teams nandun pa rin.
Pero hindi siya ganun kadikit kagaya kanina, partner, ano?
Rion stops, pops,
Wala.
misses, rebound, the smallest man in the world, and he will be rewarded for another bonus free throw.
Napakahusay naman. Napakahusay naman ng
Kaya nagreklamo tatay.
Rod Soriano. That's his second.
biruin mo, partner, apat yung dinaanan niya ron. After getting the first shot he missed, then a follow-up is very good by Rion.
22, top of the key, no. Soliano with the rebound. Bautista gives to Dana, 11 to shoot. Dana, top shot is good. 29 to 23.
At yung kanina nga sinasabi natin, partner, na yung score ng San Beda ay napako na sa 15, sa 18, sa 21, ngayon naman sa 23. Hindi na gumalaw yung kanilang puntos.
Soliano with the offensive board.
Even Soliano,
That's
hindi
the-
makapasok ng kanyang tira.
That's the third chance he has today in a point blank range.
And another one for Soliano, umihingi siya ng pasa. And again, a turnover for San Beda.
Danag is running. Will be.
And that was denied.
Nice defense pero a counter turnover from San Beda once
That
again.
is correct.
These turnovers are hurting San Beda badly.
That is correct. That is the 12th turnover of San Beda in this game.
And we're still on the 4 and 44 mark ng third quarter.
That is correct.
If ganyan yung pa rin yung papakita nila, dadagdag yung turnover na yan.
You are correct.
Rion!
Nice
Fly
one for
ball.
Rion.
Jumper, no! Bautista, drives, top shot.
Kanya pa rin. Ayun ang nangyayari ngayon sa San Beda. Nami-miss nila yung tira nila pero sila pa rin ang nakakakuha. At meron na naman turnover, partner. Balik ang bola sa San Beda. Sa San Sebastian rather. Inbound violation by San Beda.
Turnovers piling up.
What is going on? And that's a steal for San Beda.
To Soliano, finally makes one. That's Lorenzo.
Exactly.
Pero kasi siyang malaki.
Oo.
Pero medyo nanibago din ako si Lorenzo sa loob tumira.
Kaya nga, partner eh.
Sa Tresian, Danag, top jumper.
There you go.
Walang problema.
There you go, Danag. Nakailang ganun na si Danag, ha, partner?
As
And here comes Lorenzo. Ang lakas naman masyado ng tira ni Lorenzo na yun. Pero partner, diretso kung titignan mo. Medyo napalakas lang ng konti.
You can see from the line of shot na shooter talaga.
And a miscommunication there. Turnover for Baste.
Si Rion medyo naging fancy siya dun sa play na yun. Siguro dapat mas nag-go siya for a more safer pass than a no-look pass
That is
on that
correct.
big guy.
And so far, ito yata yung pinakamalaking lamang na ngayon ng San Sebastian.
Yes.
It's an 8-point lead. Now, it is San Sebastian on the lead.
Renzo, pamatay sunog, Mintes.
Foul number 15.
So far, nawawala ng naghahanap ang San Beda ng player na makakapagbigay sa kanila ng opensa. Batumbakal. One fake, gives to Winters, spin move. No go, rebound to Bautista. Batumbakal tracks the long rebound. And a costly turnover by San Beda once again.
Tatlo-tatlo sila ron. Partner at nagkakalituan pa sila sa pasahan ng bola.
47 to 2.
And that's the 14th turnover of San Beda in this game.
Rion.
An offensive foul being committed for team San Sebastian. Kaya yan, balik ang bola ngayon sa San Beda. And we have less than 2 minutes now dito sa ating third quarter.
9, 2, Winters from the middle. Ah,
5 to 2.
And there is a foul. Number 34, pushing foul. That's Bamba.
Foul number 34.
si Bamba ang haba din, ang tangkad
Oo,
din eh. Para,
mas malaki pa pala siya kay Lorenzo. I believe.
at yung Galamay, mukhang potential to be one of our great shot blockers of the league.
Tama.
Diba, mga nakakatakot din yan. Siguro, sama mo lang sa listahan katulad nila, Udodo, diba? Nakakatakot, sumalaksak.
Wagan basket.
Correction.
There you go.
Number 9 is Joaquin Wagan.
At ayan, turnover naman ngayon para sa Baste. It's their 9th turnover in this game.
Winters carving space.
Nice follow-up there by Winters, pero that is too malalim. Too deep.
Bautista getting shifty. Escapes
Wala.
everything but the basket. Bamba will retain the possession to the Golden Stags.
Balik ang bola sa Baste.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Bamba
Wild
gets
shot
the
there.
rebound. Goes to Rion.
Orion.
5 to 2.
5 seconds to shoot.
Tough shot.
Wala.
Miss. Lorenzo, 48
It's a good
seconds
ball.
left in the
Here
third
comes
quarter.
Batumbakal.
Batumbakal's running.
At merong blocking foul na nakita doon yung ating referee from Orion. Ryan. It's Ryan.
Foul, San Sebastian.
Good eye from the referees.
At nilabas nga muna si Winters.
Shot clock
Medyo nanlamig kasi si Winters eh.
Oo.
So kailangan mo na magpahinga. That's an offensive foul.
offensive foul on number 10. Jack Comanesa, that's his second. Second team foul on San Pedro.
It's
Rion. Rayon. Alright.
there you go.
Iniwagan. 33 spins. Bagong bakal. Now
Ayan,
20
counter turnover.
15 seconds left in third quarter. Up by 6 yung Bastay. Sa kanila yung bola. Pwede silang kumuha ng huling hirit dito.
5 seconds.
Herrera puts it up. No! And there will be a foul. 1.4 remaining at the third.
Foul on number 10.
Omalesa.
At kitang-kita nga yung paghawak ni Omalesa ng short ni Bamba ron, ha. And that is right in front of the referee. It's a good call by the rep. But then again,
Jack Omanesa, that's his third free foul.
at eto nga,
But then again, 1.4.
turntables dito, partner.
1.4
Tables are turning. At na-block pa ni Batong Bakal. Sabi ni Batong Bakal, dadagdag ka pa ng puntos, ha. At ayan nga, dyan nagtapos yung ating third quarter, 33-27. And again, tables being turned. Partner, lamang na ngayon ang San Sebastian. Magbabalik po ang United Basketball.
Kahit saan. Okay na. Ako okay pa ako dito. Hindi na. Mahangin din eh. Maganda din yung ventilation. Yung sa kakilala ko sa may Pasig daw, mainit. Oo, kasi parang nasa second floor sila. Kasi, hindi, nasa second floor sila nag-commentator. Pero malamang lang. Oo.
And welcome back to the last and final quarter of this game. This is the fifth game for today. And again, we would like to thank our sponsors, our vitamin provider, ProCell Pharma Incorporated, Cellphone CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, and official basketball Spalding TF1000 Legacy Spalding, made for the game, anytime, anywhere. Ganun din ang VLF Wood Veneers, and to Flores family for the continuous support.
Nung pagsimula ng fourth quarter, nakapukul agad sa 3 itong si Rayon. Ups the lead to 9 for San Sebastian.
Jack Omanesa, that's his fourth free foul.
Bailosis. To Lorenzo. 30 drives. Jose Bailosis spins. Lays it out.
Oh, that's short.
Gets the putback. Right on time. With a foul.
He misses that shot. He gets the rebound and goes for the follow-up and the basket.
Napaganda pa.
Tama. Ganda rin sana nung layup niya, kaso short na short eh.
Okay na yan, mas maganda may foul. Pero hindi niya na-complete yung N1 play. Buti na lang, kanyang kakampi, nakaagaw dun. 8-12.
And again, shout out to our live viewers dito sa ating Facebook page, live stream. Close to 100 live viewers ang nanonood sa atin ngayon. At again, we apologize if medyo may delay or konting lag yung ating live stream. But rest assured, it is recorded and will be posted in our YouTube channel. Just visit United Basketball.
Ari Herrera, substituted.
Is it by losses once again at the free throw line, partner? Pero kung nung kanina namintis niya eh, ano?
Let's see if he will have better results.
Wala pa
Hindi
rin.
pa rin. After this game, talagang mukhang ito yung ipapractice
Oo,
ni
ito
Bailosis.
yung mga kailangang mga free throw na dapat nagka-count na sa puntos ng San Beda dahil ngayon sila naman na naghahabol, partner. Sayang yung mga nakukuhang foul and chances for that free throw.
Marasigan. The 3. Finds. Number 1. To Marasigan. Emergency 3. Almost. Rebound by Losses. To Lorenzo. To number 30. 10 seconds to operate. San Beda needs to fire. Misses.
Less than 7 minutes now in the last and final quarter. At 6 pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng San Sebastian. And again, partner, another game with a slow scoring teams. Fourth quarter na tayo, wala pang 40 yung score, partner. It's slow scoring for both teams.
And 8-second violation for San
And
Beda.
that's an 8 seconds violation for San Beda, another turnover.
Ito yung nakakasakit sa San Beda. The turnovers, the costly unforced turnovers for them. Hurting. Number 1, the Marasigan. Pulls up from 3, Marasigan.
Oh, dalawa, nagagawan, partner.
Now Bailosis running, will be fouled.
And that's a foul. Again, ito na naman itong si Velocis para sa free throw. One out of 2 siya kanina, partner, tama. At ayan, pasok agad yung unang puntos na free throw ni Bailosis. Basket, that's 2 out of 2 for Bailosis.
Balbao goes to the pick.
Nice screen. Nice screen by Melano.
Stop on his tracks. Force a corner 3.
Basket there.
Bailosis sasagot. Mentes.
Nakita mo yan, partner, yung box out na ginagawa ni number 14 kay number 22. Napakahusay na depensa nun.
30. Sasagot ng 3. He gets it.
Balik sa 7 ang lamang dito ng San Sebastian.
Balbao. To to Melano. Balbao hit a 3 earlier. Goes for the drive, swings it. Marasigan for 3. Malakas. Rebound, Lorenzo.
At si Lorenzo na rin, nakala ko magbababa ng bola.
Bailosis, susubok sa 3. Masyadong malakas.
Walang rebounder ang San Beda. Ang napapansin ko. They're just throwing and throwing, keep on attacking at the 3-point line, pero wala silang rebounder sa loob.
Number 3, short, rebound.
Foul number 1. Every Bailosis, that's his first. Second team foul on San Beda.
Ganda rin ng depensa na yung ginawa ni Bamba, talagang backs out kung backs out at nakuha niya nga yung bola and then a foul coming from Bailosis.
Substitution. Shot clock 15 seconds.
To Marasigan. 12 seconds to shoot. 4:02 remaining on the fourth quarter. 7-point lead for San Sebastian. Misses the 3. Lorenzo. 22, top of the key, 3. Back rim. Rebound, Melano.
No good again, yung mga 3-point shots na pinapakawalan ng San Beda.
Ryan. Escapes. Pump fake. Roales. Emergency 3, short.
Wala rin para sa San Sebastian. Well, I think it is better for San Beda na sumalaksak na lamang sa loob, ano? Hindi yung pakawala sila ng pakawala ng 3 points.
At ayan na
No
nga,
rebounder.
right on cue.
Exactly. Nakita mo, partner, kung yun ang ginagawa nila kanina pa, marahil baka lumamang na sila ng bahagya. Kaya naman. Kaya naman nila. Mukhang narinig ako ni Lorenzo doon, partner, kaya bigyan dinaretso na lang.
Hindi, sakto kasi sinasabi mo yung dumadaan siya ng half court.
Oo, narinig ka, narinig.
Oo, at sinaksak na lang dun
Siguro
sa...
sabi niya 3 points pa ako. Ay, hindi, sabi nung ano. Diretso ka na.
Right on cue kasi. And 42-37, lamang pa rin ng San Sebastian.
And there is a foul.
This is
Lima lang, partner.
this
ang
is only a
lamang.
two-possession game.
Exactly.
Eh ngayon, nakukuha na ng San Beda kahit pa paano yung kanilang rhythm. Kahit ano pa pwedeng mangyari dito sa last 2 and 42 ng ating fourth quarter.
Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan sa San Beda, partner, but parang unaw sila sa 3 points eh. Let us see, tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin dito nila. See, nice fake there. And jump shot on the side pero wala. Okay sana yon kasi may dalawang malaki sa ilalim. Pero kanina, they're just throwing 3 points na walang tao man lang for the rebound. And that's a backcourt violation. Tinuturo ni Bautista na steal. Eh kung pinabayaan niya na lang, sana na outside at kanila pa ulit ang bola. At yeah, there's a timeout, partner. We will be right back. Back to the ball game tayo, partner. After the timeout, we have 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time here in our last and final quarter. 42-37 in favor of San Sebastian. And again, we would like to thank our sponsors for the this close to the last 2 minutes game of this last and final quarter. Of course, brought to us by Procel Pharma Incorporated, Selvone CSR, Activo Gold Vitamins and Minerals, VLF Wood Veneers, and Spalding, made for the game anytime, anywhere. And again, tumawag ulit ng timeout, partner, yung kabilang team naman. So tuloy-tuloy yung itong kanilang usapan. Mukhang talagang they need a lot of offenses and a better defenses here in this last 2 minutes na ito, partner.
This is just a two-possession game. San Sebastian ang lamang 2:07 pa naman to. Baka pag matapos, pwedeng mag-iba yung ihip ng hangin. Pero we will see on the last 2:02 mark. Diba?
At parehas merong 3 team foul ang bawat team, partner. Mag-ingat din sa mga fouls because penalty can make a difference, partner. Maaring ang free throw ay makapagpanalo sa isang team dito, partner.
Yes.
At ito nga, shoutout muna natin lahat ng ating live viewers. We have 100 live viewers dito sa ating Facebook page. At basa-basa muna tayo rito while waiting. Sabi ni Dita Bamba, go Baste. Well, probably this is a relative of our player Bamba. Sabi naman ni Saleya Kat Nezun Ganda, go Team Baste. Danag Yuhu, sabi ni Algier Malik. And then go Baste. And that's it. And ayan, we are back, partner.
Weak offense
Sayang.
almost coming through for Batumbakan. And the game announcer shouted the last 2 minutes of this game.
Sayang yung magandang entry pass na yun.
Ryan to Bautista. Nakagawa ni Cañete. Batumbakan nagmamadali. Kicks it out. 30 jumper. Will be fouled.
Go San Beda naman ang sigaw ni Tess Garcia, who's watching us live. Kaya pa, yes, it is. 1 minute and 38 seconds.
Ayoko subukan bigkasin. Ayoko bigkasin.
That's Doliente. Go Baste, yan, with some muscles from Chadi Rodriguez. Basket nga ang unang tira ni Doliente.
One more shot could be
There you go.
one
That's 2
possession
out of 2.
ball game na lang tayo dito.
That's 2 out of 2.
Mark. We could see San Beda applying pressure defense into the
And warning to penalty na, partner, itong San Sebastian.
Danag. Rodriguez. Danag again. Binabantayan ni Batumbal.
That's
Danag drives. Stop. Pops over.
oh, that is an air ball. Almost a steal.
Batumbal on the loose. One-hander.
Oh, wala.
Go. Rebound.
Last touch by Batumbakal, balik ang bola sa Baste. Dalawa, partner, yung na-miss na tira ng San Beda na yon. Una kanina kay Bailosos, pangalawa itong kay Batumbakal.
Actually, under the 2-minute mark, dalawa yung namintes na malapitan.
Tama.
Sa Batumbakal.
Can you imagine kung pumasok yung dalawa na yun?
Lamang na sila yung
Tama.
Danag. Pounded by Bailosis.
Less than a minute. Go Baste. Sabi ni Vince Villaganas.
Danag for 3.
Oh, wala.
Rebound. Goes.
Same ball. No. It's San Beda's ball.
Yes. Referees overruled their first call.
Exactly.
Nakita nila na si Basti pala ang
Well, nakakalito naman kasi it is red and white colors, the jerseys ng ating mga players. And
Pareho silang red short kasi.
It is almost Christmas dito sa ating venue. And by the way, we are live here at System Plus Computer College, Caloocan City. Yes. $39.42. Tatlo ang lamang ng San Sebastian.
45 seconds remaining on the final quarter. One possession lead for San Sebastian. San Beda has the ball.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Shot clock is on. 14 seconds.
Back to the ball team.
It is only a 3-point lead by San Sebastian at 45.4 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa ito.
Yes.
Mahaba-haba pa ito. Konting tamang timpla lang, partner. Baka bumaliktad ulit ang lamesa rito.
Huwag naman sana bumalik yung lamesa natin kasi
Hindi yung ating
kami
partner.
dito.
And there you go. There you go. And there is a foul.
That's
There
a
is
big
a foul.
development. Referees,
There you go.
ng unsportsmanlike foul.
There you go.
Ang referee on sideline.
Foul on number 10 of San Sebastian.
That.
What is going on? What is going on? Unsportsmanlike foul has been called to number 10. That's Jacob. That is unnecessary. First shot by Doliente, basket.
I believe kaya
Kanina
natawagan
2 out of 2 siya, tama?
kaya ata natawagan.
And he's very good at the free throw line.
Naku, huwag mong babatiin.
See? It's nothing but the net. Dalawang beses na, nothing but the net. 42-41. At ito na yung kanyang ikatlo.
No comment because free throws are on the line.
Oh!
14 seconds.
Nabati mo ata dun, Brian.
No.
Still, yung good
Medyo nakakaba kasi yung last free throw na yun. Pero kanila pa rin ang ball possession
dahil
with 41 seconds remaining.
And you can see San Sebastian really shouting, disrupting this one.
And there you go.
Enzo,
Mintis yung tira ni
By Danag.
Doliente
7
in that
seconds.
free throw line.
Separates the shot clock and the game clock.
24 seconds remaining.
Drop pass. Big foul coming from a white shirt. This is Melano heading to the free throw line.
Foul number 13. Francis Cordero down to second. 14 foul on San Beda.
At ito nga, na-foul na, ano? Itong si Melano. First shot, basket. And again, it brings the score to 43 with 2-point lead as of the moment. Oras natin na dito na, partner. 18.5 seconds na lamang. Kailangan magpakawala dito ng San Beda ng magandang play kapag pumasok itong free throw na ito. Yes, it did. He did a second shot. At balik sa tatlo. At yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner, huwag na tayo mag-break time. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner, yung mga free throws na yon, mamaya ang magpapanalo, di ba, sa kanila? And that's it.
Actually, ang pinakamalaking tanong dito is yung coach ng San Beda, what would he choose? It
Exactly.
would be a full court inbound or half court inbound. Kasi, alam mo naman, pag full court inbound yan, magagamit nila yung whole of the shot clock. And since 18.5 ito,
Aha.
sa kanila ng last possession.
Tama.
Pero pag pinili nila ang half court, 14 seconds yung magiging shot clock nila, which means may matitira pa para sa San Sebastian
Exactly.
ng 4.5 seconds, di ba?
And also, are they going to get a 3-point shot here, or they're just planning to, like, you know, a foul counted, an end one play, or whatever it is?
For me, if they're gonna choose the half court, siguro go for a
It's
quick
a-
two. And then
a quick foul.
A quick foul.
Kasi may mga matitira pa dyan ng mga 10 seconds, I believe.
Yes. It looks like they're gonna get the inbound pass in the half court, which means shot clock will be cut down to 14. This is only a one possession.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds para sa San Beda, and here we go. We are back.
18.5 seconds.
4.5 seconds difference between the shot clock and the game clock. Here we go, San Beda.
Lorenzo jacks up a three.
Diyos ko po. It's a wow. It's a wow. It's a wow. Ang ganda ng tiro na yun ni Lorenzo, partner. Despite of the pressure na nasa harapan niya. And that is talagang maaasahan mo si Lorenzo sa ganyan. Sabi ko sa'yo, partner, at the beginning of this game, yan si Lorenzo, shooter yan, a three-pointer player yan. Diba, partner? And that is only 4 seconds na nabawas doon sa ating game time, partner. It's 14.8.
Grabe itong si Lorenzo. Made 2 3-pointers ng first half, ng second half ng lamig, pero na-shoot niya yung pinakamalaking tres
Exactly.
na kinakailangan sa kanya.
That is the fourth 3 ball by San Beda, at 3 yata ang sa kanya roon. Pang-apat na 3-point shot yan ang San Beda eh. At tatlo, alam ko, di ba nakadalawa siya na una? And at ito yung isa. Yes, it is. Ayun nga, nakaka na siyang 3-point. At yung pinakamagandang 3-point niya sa lahat.
It was a shot from the skies.
Exactly. Ang ganda ng laban na yan, sabi ni Paul Elbesa.
And yeah,
Dito sa ating live, yeah.
tune in pa later dahil
Exactly.
marami pa tayong games ahead.
Tama. We still have 6 more games lined up. Ayun, no? If you're watching that replay, nawala nga yung bola sa screen, partner eh. Hindi na nakakuha na ng camera. Bigla na lang lumabas sa sa basket eh. And here we go, partner. We are back.
Pero
At
San
ano
Beda-
naman kaya ang gagawin ng San Sebastian?
San Beda, job's not finished. They will need to
Here
defend
we go.
this offensive play for
Exactly. This should be the last. This should be the last shot. In this game.
Maratina,
Denied by number 22. And here comes San Beda
8. Can you
with a second more. And that's it.
We are going to overtime.
Nakakabot ng ulo ng referee natin, partner.
And we go to overtime.
40 minutes is not enough for these two matchups.
Tama, partner.
Ganda daw kasi ng laban eh. So why not extend it to 5 more minutes?
It was denied by number 22, yung 3-point attempt na yon. And there's no whistle. Walang foul na nakita yung ating grab. At ayan, at overtime nga tayo, partner, with additional 5 minutes here. We will be right back. And we're back to the ball game partner. Ito na nga yung simula naman ang ating overtime, ano?
Yes.
And ball possession ng San Beda. Buong akala natin kanina talagang it's a victory for San Sebastian. But Lorenzo makes it for the overtime. Last touch by Rodriguez.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
This game is talagang game of runs eh. Yung kanina, San Sebastian yung nagkaroon ng momentum. Nung pagtatapos ng fourth quarter, San Beda yung unting-unting umakyat para itabla yung ating talaan. 30, misses! And he will go to the free throw line muli.
Ang daming attempts noon ng San Beda.
Foul number 14.
Pero wala silang naibasket. Pero nakakuha naman ng foul itong si Doliente.
Randy Milano versus Ford.
Itong si Dolientes, one of those key players nung nagkaroon sila ng run ng fourth quarter.
That is correct. Pero imagine mo kung naipasok naman ni Doliente kanina, ikatlong free throw, di ba? At naipasok ni Lorenzo yung 3-point shot, they will win the game.
Yes.
Kanina, di ba?
Ayun
Tama
nga,
ba
yung
na?
free throws hurts them. Pero Milo to the corner triple para buksan ang ating overtime.
That is correct.
Milano, free lane, strong drive, no!
No foul. No foul, no whistle.
Lost his drive, loose ball, recovers.
And that is same ball, last touch by number 18.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
So far, partner, ito yung game na na-cover natin na magandang laban, partner.
Actually, ito yung unang game natin na overtime.
Yes,
Yeah.
maganda yung laban din, partner.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Steal
Ryan.
by Ryan.
Danag, 4-3. Sasagutin!
Danag, yung 3-point shot na yun ni Bailosos kanina. At ngayon, deadlock tayo for 47.
Bailosi, sasagot ulit!
Bailot! On the same side, on the same spot, with the same result.
Bitin niya na yan ni Marasigan and Bailosis dahan-dahan ng nag-iinit in this fourth quarter. Dolientes, sasama!
Ayun naman, Doliente. Sa kabilang side naman, tumira si Doliente. At biruin mo, partner,
Sebastian, that is their last timeout.
close to 2 seconds na nagamit dito sa ating overtime. 4 na 3-point ang nangyari. What a comeback, partner, by San Beda.
9-3 run. Yan ang hatid na panimula ng San Beda sa ating overtime period.
Tama, partner.
Nauhaw sila dun sa 3-point shooting nila ng first to fourth. Kailangan lang pala nila ng overtime para ibuhos yung stress nila.
Stress,
Tatlong
partner, ang
sunod.
pinakawalan. Dito sa pagsisimula ng overtime, and
Yes.
lahat yun, that's 3 out of 3 in this overtime.
Suddenly, this is a 6-point deficit na tinitignan ng San Sebastian. Marasigan to Danag. Susubok muli.
Sumagot din yan ng tatlo, ng 3 points. Itong si Danag.
Nagkakaroon tayo ng 3-point shootout dito
At sa iba-ibang direksyon ang gagaling itong 3-point shot na ito.
Yes, Doliente.
And here comes by losses once again.
Lorenzo.
To Lorenzo.
Sasama ba sa party? Goes to Cañete. Jumper!
Walang nagmimintis sa mga tira ng bawat koponan, partner. Pero ngayon, lamang ng 5. Itong San Beda na.
Ryan. Herrera. They need to find Danag, the hot man. Ryan. Fakes. Goes to Jacob. Huli! Block. Doliente!
Blocked
And
by
he is
Doliente.
now
It was denied.
stepping up the brakes.
Sabi ni Doliente, huwag ka na sumunod sa 3 points.
Doliente to Bailosis. Drives up and at home. No go.
No foul.
Ayun.
Bailosis is asking for a foul, but there
For
is
three.
none. My goodness, he is on fire. Danag is on fire.
Brian, sana nagdala ka ng payo. Umuulan ng 3 sa overtime period.
You know what? That's a back-to-back 3 points by Danag.
At susubok naman, number 22. No! Rebound. 88.
55-53 in favor of San Beda.
We are up
Lucky
for
at
it
the mga
leader.
players. Exactly. And here comes Danag once again. 10 seconds to shoot.
Danag, hot guy. Up for 3.
No good. At ayan, less than a minute na tayo. Less than a minute here in the overtime. Dalawa lang ang lamang dito ng San Beda.
Less than 1 minute.
Bailosis.
Ganda nitong laban na to. Doliente, wala.
Oh, rebound Lorenzo. Danag, nagmamadali against Bailosis. Jumper, masyado
Wala rin.
lakas. And that could be a big chance for San Beda to seal this deal. Bailosis.
Nag-alanganin si Danag kung aatras pa siya to get another 3 points.
Lorenzo!
Pero diniretso na niya.
Masyadong malakas. Doliente,
And
second
now
chance.
is the last 18 seconds remaining.
For the board.
Another chance here for San Sebastian.
Arasigan for 3. No! Bailosis with a rebound.
Look at Ryan.
Number 15, Ryan Morganas, that's his third. Penalty.
Look at Ryan. Talagang gusto ni Ryan na makabawi, ano? Pero hindi niya kaya yung nakatapat niya ron for the rebound. Malaki yon compared to him.
Bailosis hit 2 3-pointers.
And here we go. It is only 2.8 seconds remaining with 4-point lead. Now 5-point lead of San Beda. And again, sabi sa'yo partner may lamesa na naman na babaliktad dito. And that's it. This is what I'm trying to say. Table turns once again for San Beda, and it looks like this is gonna be the end of this game. And it is. Congratulations. It is a very beautiful fight from San Beda and San Sebastian. 59-53. Congratulations, San Beda. Talagang yung comeback nila matindi, partner. And the best player, number 1, Bailosis. I'm gonna be the best player on this game. Well, anyway, we will be back later on. We still have 6 more games, partner. All right. Okay, magbabalik po ang United Basketball League.